Hey everyone, Patrick Hawkins with the Hawkins Collective here, and I'm going to do something, okay? So I need all of you to put your imagination caps on and imagine me for a second. Imagine you're a buyer who's looking for a completely open first floor. So you walk in the front door, it's completely open in the living room, goes right back to your completely open kitchen. The kitchen has a huge, large center island, newer stainless steel appliances, ceramic tile backsplash, and refinished hardwood floors. Where can I find this in all of Baltimore? You might be asking yourself. Well, I got it. I'm standing inside of 1121 Elm Road here in Halethorpe, Maryland, our newest listing, and I cannot wait to show you guys this property. If you do want to see it in person, but you don't have anybody to take you, I'm happy to take you. Give me a call or send me an email or whatever. All the contact information is going to be at the end of this video. Okay, so contact me. Happy to help you guys.